Hi everybody, this is Anthony Karabash and I thought I'd give you all a quick tour of the Desire to Learn environment with OECTA. It is a little bit different, but at the same time very similar to Desire to Learn if you have it in your board. To start, you'll select your course from the top screen here. So if you click on the drop down, of course you will see the ICT 1 M1 F14 Karabash. So if you click on that, that's how you get to this point and you're already in the course. So you will notice from this point on there's a new section, and I use the new section diligently to keep you in touch. And if you're ever lost, click on the course home and that will always bring you to the front of the classroom or the news section, same thing. Next to the course home is of course a blog feature. We don't really use that in this module, but it is there for your personal recording and it's not public, so you can share that. There's also a chat feature, so if we set up a chat, we can always do that. I'll give you a time and a date and we'll go from there. Under the class list, you'll see all the colleagues that you have that are registered in this course, and if you click on anybody like so, you will get your information and you can actually send them an email. All right. A little bit further to the right is where the meat and potatoes of the course live. So if you click on content, this is how you actually participate in the course. So in this module, there are 3 pages, and we start with the primer, Catholic Graduate Expectations in 21st Century Learning. And if you scroll through that, you will see the OECTA layout of a course is quite advanced compared to many, and we're very proud of that. Everything is linked within, and we try to include as many graphics and video as possible. So you'll go through this, and if you're called to act, you will notice there's a response section, and in the response section you'll be asked to do something specific that'll attach to a Dropbox. So sometimes you can access it from here. You click on that Dropbox and it will take you to the folder where you submit your work. Okay, to submit a file, it's like an email, so you'll conduct a quick email. Hello Anthony, here is my work for this unit. And then just look for the attach button so you can add a file. What's really nice about D2L is you could also record audio. I encourage you to experiment with that. This is the course to do it. Also, you have a few buttons here. You can insert stuff, so there's some great things you can do. I encourage you to try. You can insert a link or an embed code. You'll learn all about that during this course. You can also insert pictures or links as well. And then click on Submit. Alright, so that's where the course really sits within the content. To access discussions, discussions will be linked directly from the page that you were on if there's a need for it. Or you can click on the discussions link here and then just, let's say, always click on the blue action letters or buttons in D2L. Then you click on Introductions and start a new thread and tell me a little bit about yourself. If you're a teacher, if you weren't a teacher, what would you be? If you had $1 million, what would you do with it? And what's your favorite way to pass time? All right, so that's our course in a nutshell. I look forward to chatting and meeting with each and every one of you. And good luck, and most importantly, enjoy yourself.